So there's a lot that I want to do right now. I feel very inspired. I have more projects really than I can keep track of, and I'm looking for ways to get this all organized, because the thing is, the more organized your creative work is, the easier it is to actually do it. So the more organized your ideas are, the more you understand what each different stage of it needs. There's this really interesting relationship, I think, between organization and structure and free flow creative energy. And for me, my creativity is so supported by having really sturdy structures and organizations that's really customized to what I need, which means I need to create the systems and the structures. So I have a bunch of new things I'm working on, including sharing more videos. And I was thinking, so how do I organize this so it's really easy for me to go from idea to completed thing? And so that's where I started, just asking myself, how do I want to get organized? Journaled about it, kind of imagined, well, what are the things I want? And just, as I was just kind of exploring here, generally when I do this kind of journaling, it's like I'm coaching myself. So I'm asking myself questions and I'm answering them and moving towards clarity and understanding. And then I did find a point where I was like, oh, yeah, here's what I want. I kind of made a little sketch of it in my journal and then thought, well, what else do I want? And then got it going. And then I just got right on the iPad and made it. So I made a little sheet here with the different stages that the video goes through, a way of categorizing and organizing them, which just helps me understand what I'm doing with them. And this way, it made my heart feel really relieved to see this little chart here. And now I can do whatever I want with it. So I can cut these out and put them in my planner each week, whatever I want to work on. Or I could keep a sheet with all of them, just everything that I'm working on, so that I can have that bird's eye view of all the different things. And I can also go back to the iPad, make these smaller and fit more on a page. Starting, like when I make a new system for organizing something, I just start with whatever idea comes to me. And then as I use it, of course, I'm going to learn more about how it should be, and I'll make changes as I go. And that's what I really want to encourage you to think about. The creative projects, the ideas, the things you want to do, what do they need? What kind of organization do they need? And how can you do that?